Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kajabi to your bank in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Kajabi to your bank in the USA, log into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the Sales tab in the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Payouts. Here, you will see a list of your available earnings. If you're ready to withdraw, click on the Withdraw button. Choose the amount you want to withdraw or select Withdraw All if you want to transfer your entire balance. Before proceeding, ensure your bank account details are correctly entered. If you haven't connected a bank account yet, click on Settings and then Payment Settings. Input your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Confirm that all details are accurate to avoid any delays. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payouts section. Revisit the Withdraw option and select your desired amount again. Review any withdrawal fees or processing times displayed on the screen. After confirming your withdrawal request, click on Submit. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your funds. Typically take a few business days to appear in your bank account. Check your bank account after the processing time for the deposited amount. If you encounter any issues, consult the Kajabi support resources for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process from Kajabi to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.